Hey everybody, this is John with Reliable Service Company here in Chandler, and what I'm doing is working on a drywall repair job. And essentially what happened was the customer needed a new breaker installed for their freezer, and in this case this is what the electrician had to do in order to put a breaker into the breaker box. Leaving us though with some drywall repair. So I'm going to address this in a couple of ways by reinforcing certain areas over here and along here, reinstalling the drywall, doing some mud, and this is a very smooth wall, so we're going to smooth it out and then repaint it. Okay, so here's where we're at with the drywall. I've patched the drywall with the existing pieces that were cut out. I've got some mud work to do up in the corner here, or up by the junction box, and we'll pre-fill these and then tape these joints and then add some additional mud. So here's the finished product. It turned out very good. This is a smooth drywall finish. There's no texture. So we had to do a fair amount of sanding to make it blend in. What you see here, the shiny area, is where we have painted. So that part is drying, and once dry, will blend in with the rest of the wall, just like what we had done on this side, which also had a repair coming down to that outlet. So in this case, project complete, looks great, and we will talk to you later.